Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to open or access your Outlook profile the right way, you're in the perfect place. Whether you're managing multiple email accounts, updating personal info, or just setting up your profile for the first time, I'll walk you through everything in under 5 minutes. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's open Outlook. On your computer or phone, open your favorite web browser and head to the official Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. You can type outlook.live.com in the address bar or simply search Outlook login on Google or Bing. Either way, you'll land on the same page. Once you're there, sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. That means entering your email and password, or if you're using a work or school account, sign in with the organization's login. After logging in, you'll automatically be taken to your Outlook Mail dashboard, where you can see all your emails, folders, and conversations. Now, to open your Outlook profile, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon or initials. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select My Profile. This will open a new page showing your Microsoft account profile linked to Outlook. Inside the profile area, click on Your Info. Here, you'll see everything tied to your account: your name, profile picture, email address, and any personal details Microsoft stores about you. You can also update your picture, manage security settings, or even switch between multiple Outlook profiles if you use more than one account. And that's it. You've successfully opened and accessed your Outlook profile in just a few steps. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my quick tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you'd like me to cover Outlook settings or multiple profile management next. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.